everybody. Thanks for popping in again. I need to paint in this time of pandemic because it keeps me happy. So I hope you join me and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing these to you. So I'm going to do a real quick one today, real easy. We're going to do a little happy floral. I'm going to start with some bright pink paint. And I'm going to just slap it on. I'm going to come back in with a gorgeous lime green. I love the combination of lime green and bright pink. Then I'm going to do the background in a beautiful ultra blue. None of this is dry at this point. Just smearing it all together, just getting it on the canvas. Fill that canvas all up. I'm going to put some of this on the bottom as though it were a table. So I'm going now horizontally. I dabbed into my white a little bit. I'm just letting the colors just dance onto the whole canvas here. I'm just going to kind of smear that around. Big happy strokes. I'm going to let this dry a little bit, and I'll be back when it's dry. Okay, now that that's dry, I want to paint some flowers. I am going to go into a dark pink, a fuchsia, and a light pink, both on my brush at the same time, and I'm going to splitch in some flowers.
Splitch.
Splitch. It's the new term. Maybe a little bit of white. I want some of them a little bigger, so I'm gonna Now, you try to imagine where the flowers are. So I kind of see a flower here. I'm going to put a center in it. And here. And here. That one's pretty drippy. And here. And here. Get rid of that drip there. That's a pretty big drip. You can always do this flat too if you're worried about these drips. But it does give it texture. Now I'm going to go in my little liner brush and just outline my vase a little bit with white. And now you'll need to let this dry for a while or use your hair dryer. Okay, once this is dry, I'm going to go in with a little tiny liner brush and some black paint. But you can also use Faber-Castell Indian ink pens or ink. This is Dr. H. Martin's Black Star Waterproof Indian ink, and one of these kind of pens that you dip in it, and these are real scratchy and kind of fun too. So try whatever works best for you. And I'm going to get my black paint real watery. And I'm going to go very loose with this. Hold this really loose in my hand. And I'm just going to draw around and do detail for my flowers. Nothing perfect. This is supposed to be really fun and whimsical. So if you get some drips, or it makes it even more fun. And just find the flowers. And some leaves. I'm just kind of wiggling that brush around. See, I'm holding it real loose. Put on some stems. I think that's going to do it for today. Thanks for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe and share, and we'll try to keep these coming for you. We'll all keep busy while we're isolated. Thanks.